Good morning, everyone. I'm Rishika Chopra, and today I'm going to discuss the topic nuclear family versus joint family. So, according to me, nuclear family has more freedom than joint family. There is no interference of any elder. They can roam anywhere freely and came back at any time. They don't worry about any other member of the household. Think about it. They can take their decisions at their own wishes. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aniket Mahavia. So today we have a discussion of nuclear family. So nuclear family consists of a mother, father, and their children. They don't include their aunts, uncles, and grandparents. And that's called a nice family. And that's my view towards the nuclear family.
Good morning, all of you. I'm Bhavna, and about joint family. In a family related of the members in the same the family living same under the roof, and joint family bonding are very strong. Joint family living are mother, grandmother, father, grandfather, children, and sibling, uncle, aunts, and all that. So, joint family is a better because they depend on each other. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Thara Manpuria. I'm talk about the joint family. Joint family is better than nuclear family because there are financial security, and if we are suffered in the difficult problem, so our grandparents and our family support us and emotionally uh, connect with us. Thank you.
As you said that the joint family has more financial security, but a person who is earning is a stress for her that he earns more for living their joint family. But in nuclear family there is no pressure on the person that he earns more. There is less resource of earning.
The sense of nuclear family, the depression and stress is a very big disadvantage of nuclear family. Couples don't get the chance to learning anything, and children do not proper love affection in nuclear family.
In nuclear family, possibility of reduced conflicts. There's a less person of nuclear family. They just want a little amount of money, and their expenditure also very low, more than the joint family. So as we can say that we have a joint family, but we have a person that can earn a less amount of money. So it's not important that joint families have everyone. Nuclear family is also good at that place.
As you said, nuclear family, so they can earn few amount for their needs, but but if they suffered in any difficult situation, so who will who will help them? We can live in the joint family, so our family is help us, and they can support us.
But after living joint family, people don't get emotionally attract. If I'm living in a joint family and I will not and I will suffer from a disease, so my uncle aunties, they don't get emotionally attached with me, so they don't care about me.
I'm also live in joint family, but there are few joint families they don't think about, but in our India there are most of joint family. So according to me, we can live in joint family, so they can also support us.
But in India nowadays, we can see that there are more number of families live nuclear. They don't live joint. They live separate. And we live in a separate family, so the love will also increase.
As you can say that we have a joint family, that the members of the family, joint family care about their uncle, aunts, children's. I also live in a joint family, but my uncle, aunts don't care about me if I got fever. They just want that their children be happy always, and they don't care about me. So it's also a case.
I talk about the joint family. So our the majority of working parents, they don't think about they don't worry about their child. They leave their child from the for of the hands of their grandparents, and their grandparents care their child.
But in joint families, women are fighting for the household works. It is the common problem of joint family, and sometimes the grandparents are not able to take care of their grandchildren, and sometimes the grandparents are not ready to take care of their grandchildren. So this is the main problem of the joint families.
Increase in child kidnapping and human trafficking is the most important issue in parents who leave their child. In a joint family, this problem will be lesser, because will the grandparents and the extended family will be take care their children.
But in joint family, there is a fighting between brothers and brothers, and brothers and sisters. So the most of the cases we see of child kidnapping is happen in the joint families. And if we talk about the nuclear family, so there is mostly no cases of child kidnapping we can see.
In nuclear family, women have a privacy status. Women gets a sufficient time to take care of their children, and they don't want have a fear of taking ghungat in the joint family. But if on their moms and dad, they just have a taking a ghungat on their head. So that's also a problem of today's bridegroom.
As he said that the joint family has nuclear family has free, so as I can say that the nuclear family, the condition of women are better than the joint family, because she gets enough time to look her children's, and she gets to their children attract with the extracurricular activities, and she also get the time to look herself to maintain her personality and style, and she gets also time to what they manage their house at her own idea and wish. So in joint family this cannot be happened.
But since the nuclear in a joint family, but since here in a joint family, the when both parents are they do working, children had to not any guardians, so they had get some bad habits, then attract and friend as well.
But in nuclear families, if both the parents are working, so they can so the kids are also going school at that time, and it is not that the mother who is if she is a teacher, then she can go up to 8 o'clock in the morning and came at 2 o'clock, and the children also go school at the same time. So this is not the problem of the nuclear family also.
I talk about the happiness. So we live in the joint family. There are more happiness we get, and we celebrate most of festivals with our grandparents, and with our cousins, and with our aunts, uncle. So we get to more happiness, and we live in the joint family. We can learn respect, and we can learn behavior to others.
In joint family, as we can see that if they have a two brothers, they got married, and their wives got fight, as we can in every house in joint family, just due to that I cannot clean the utensils, you can clean the utensils, and I cannot wash the clothes of your elder brother. So that's also a huge problem in a joint family, as we can see in my home also.
As you said, in a joint family, brothers wife both are fight with each other. So there I talk about the unity. We can see they fight with each other, but in the difficult time they can they help with each other, and there are unity. We can see there are most of unity.
And there's no unity between them, because they just want to earn for themselves. They just earn for their wife and their children to fulfill their needs. They don't think about their parents and also your elder brothers.
And as you say that in joint families more people will celebrate more festivals, but nowadays we can see that in joint families there are more fighting between the brothers and brothers, and between the in-laws and the wife. So in the nuclear family, if we live separate, so we have more love and we want to go with our family in the family occasions to celebrate with festivals with them. But in the joint families we are fighting daily, and we don't want to celebrate the festivals with them. We can just go in our rooms and just talking about the full day gossips. But so I think there is no any love in the joint families.
Nuclear family. So nuclear family, it's a selfish. They only think about themselves. They don't think about their grandparents, their parents. And they don't and I talk about the knowledge of the children in the nuclear family. They don't think about their parents in the future.
In a nuclear family, widowed and old people, they feel insecure since, because they have want support and financial support.
As you talk about the widows ladies, so in nuclear family the widow ladies are freely to live their life, and if they want to get second married, so there is no restriction on that lady to don't get the second married. But if we talk about the joint family, so the widows are if widows are want to get second married, so their in-laws will not allow that lady to get second married, and they will not treat that lady as good treatment. So I think nuclear family is better than.
What a family what a family are disadvantages and advantages. So this is a depending for family situations and their preparation.
From the above discussion, I conclude that both the families have their own advantages and disadvantages. It depends on the people and their situation and preference in which family they want to live. Thank you.
From the above discussion, both family are good at their place, but if the human nature is good, so they live goodly. If the nature is bad, so everywhere fights, and both of them are good if we all live in joint family and nuclear family. Thank you.
According to me, both are important for us, because I talk about the today's people. Today's people is selfish. They only think about themselves. They don't think about their parents and their cousins and their uncle, aunts. They only live alone. Thank you.